Hello, and welcome to another update video here on my channel. I'm on the S&P 500, the ES chart right now, the 8-hour chart, and I just want to go over the scenarios that possibly could play out in the near future. And therefore, one thing is important to know that my assumption right now is that we topped in a primary wave 3 here in yellow on the December 24 highs. And we are at the moment currently in the primary wave 4 pullback, here labeled in circle wave 4 in yellow. And the correction, there are more possibilities right now. Okay, either the correction is still in progress, which is defined after a WXY in wave A, wave B to the upside, and followed by a wave C to finish primary wave 4 here. And the targets for this correction still ongoing is between 4,388.50 and 3,815. So that would be the scenario that we are still in the correction of primary wave 4 here in yellow. That is my primary scenario, honestly, because at the moment, and then we have to zoom in here in a second, that primary scenarios still on the table, and I would not rule out that we continue lower. Mm, We could possibly have two scenarios playing out that are still in progress here, and the question is now, either is the wave B finished, because still it would look better with one more high. This I cannot rule out, but it could be still in the making, so that this wave, the C wave here is not done. The other possibility is right now that we turn lower directly because at the moment we did not reach the minimum target for my wave C to the upside, which is the 1.382 pip extension compared to wave A here. It's not reached, and also the 88.2 pip retracement level is not touched. Okay, that means the downside pressure is still high. And if all of you know a little bit of confirmation or know a little bit of Elliot and TA, whenever the 88.2 is not touched, the pressure to the downside is high. When we touch the 88.2 here, the possibilities increase to take these previous highs here at the moment, which is at the moment not happened. So the power to the downside remains strong here, the pressure. I cannot rule out that we get one more high here, and that's why I brought up these support area here, which is defined between the 50% and the 61.8. I really don't know how the markets open on Tuesday because on Wednesday, Monday evening, because on Monday there's a bank holiday in America. So I don't know if the markets gap through here, then this target is not relevant, or this Fibonacci retracement level or target support area is not relevant anymore. It could be that we open higher. I don't know. We have to see. Then we could still come up with one more high here, maybe possibly touch the 88.2, retrace from here, then go higher again. It's not very, very clear right now, but we have to see how the market opens on Monday evening in Globex. The other possibility is here right now, because as I said, we can only count at the moment 3 waves up here in a so-called ABC pattern. It could form that we have our wave 1 built here in green, which is labeled as an alternate wave 1 here, and we get our pullback in wave 2. This can happen, and that the wave 4 still is finished here. I don't know. Okay, we have to really see. But still, for me, the chart would look better if we get this wider correction I was talking about in the beginning. That means we are still in the progress of this being a correction. Okay, and it's not done. At the moment, we have to see how these support areas hold here. It could also be that we get a wider wave B and we have an irregular B wave here. Okay, I don't know. We have to see. But therefore, I bring up these support areas here right now, which is defined between 5,460 at the 0.5 retracement level and 5,278. That's 61.8. Measure that hold move, and we have to see if we can hold that. Okay, it would be then, I think we can call it a diagonal pattern to the upside again, that we have to see how it's working out. Okay, but for now we have to see, and we have to put the focus really on these two support areas. Either we get one more high here, touch the 88.2, then get our retracement launch higher. We have to see. Okay, but at the moment the outlook is that we are still possibly in this fourth wave of primary degree labeled in yellow and circle here, that this wave four is still going on, or we already completed a sort of low, a lot of low of sorts here, and we move higher from here. We have to really check this. I think it's relatively close or compatible to the Nasdaq right now. I mean, they should move side by side, but it could still be that they diverge a little bit. But for now, we have to see if this scenario is directly playing out or we're moving further down. Okay. Please note these resistance areas, support areas here on the chart, and also very important the 88.2. Whenever this is touched, we could take these highs, or the possibilities increase dramatically. Okay. Good. That's a short update for the S&P 500. I haven't done it in a long time right now because I still focus more on the Nasdaq. So for all of you who are interested in the Nasdaq updates, please watch my channel. Feel free to look at my homepage. And if you're interested in TA or coaching, just leave me a message and I will come back to you. Thanks a lot and have a great day and a nice holiday on Monday. Bye bye. Ciao, ciao.